What's up? Welcome back to Normies After Dark, the one-stop shop for all the internet culture that you never asked for.
Never asked for it.
Today we're gonna have a lot of fun, you guys. We're gonna dive right into a game. We're playing That Sound Game. I've been seeing it all over my Instagram. I'm hearing it's a lot of fun. We will be joined by a couple friends. You guys might recognize them.
Hey, I'm Chris.
I'm Rana.
And the name of our team is Aural Fixation.
Man, you tell me to on camera.
Aural.
A-R-L?
A-R-U-L. So you know how there's like oral, which means to speak?
Yeah.
Aural is like the sense of your ears. It's hearing.
Ah.
So we are not oral fixation, because that's disgusting.
That's clever.
That is clever.
Aural fixation.
We both
You
get,
have-
each team gets 2 steals and 2 uncuff me's.
Right.
Should I go get my handcuffs out of the car?
No
No,
need
man.
that.
That's not gonna add so much time.
That's fine.
You keep them in the car.
Yeah, let's get started.
Yeah.
Alright.
Woo!
Let's freaking do this.
They said the person who's most likely to get a noise complaint gets to go first.
Why would it be my ass?
Go and get.
So now I'm gonna roll the card and pick the color.
Roll the
Roll the
dice,
dice.
pick the color.
Yeah.
Roll a card. Roll a card. Ryan.
Sorry.
Roll a card.
Blue, what category is that?
Oh,
Object.
Object.
All right.
Yeah, you can see that much at least.
Ding.
Doorbell.
Ding.
Bell. Microwave. Carol of the Bells.
Ding. Ding. Ding.
More than ding, please. Bell. We did that. Bell song. Bell chime. Footbell. Doorbell.
I'm gonna have to skip this.
Skip.
Okay, skip. Oh,
Quick.
Shit.
Ribbit.
Frog.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
Quick.
Go.
Time.
The first one was church bells, and the second one was a violin.
I got it was like something to do with church.
Yeah, I was thinking belts out.
I don't know how. I don't know. All right.
Alright, so.
Frog, 1 point.
I don't think you have to roll the dice after each one.
You can just stay with the blue card.
Yeah, I think you just pick another blue.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. And go.
Okay.
Buttoning a seatbelt
Yeah.
to drive.
I think, yeah. Yeah. And then what? Do I just like other
yeah.
actions?
Yeah. Sneezing?
Yep.
I had the
Yeah.
hardest ones.
Action's good, yeah. I don't like that. Eating spaghetti? Slurping noodles? Okay, slurping.
The old slurp McGirt.
Flirting?
Time.
Sleep.
Yeah,
Mhm.
time.
6. Oh, a mosquito. Bug trap. Bug. Bee. What? A electric fish? Electric eel?
Oh, that's not what I thought it was.
Tweety tweety tweet. Tweety tweet tweet tweet.
A bird?
Tweety tweet 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 tweet.
A small, a chick. A chicken. A chick. A rooster. A baby bird.
Hey.
Art.
Oh, what a seal.
Art.
What do I get? A bee? A bug? A mosquito? A bug? A bee?
We're out of time. It's a fly.
A fly?
Nice. Okay.
6.
Okay.
Hey, let's go Team Praise!
Hey.
No.
P.
Me.
James Bond. Spy?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. The P's. Okay. Choir? Caroling?
Wow.
What the hell?
Villain, super villain, evil villain. Frankenstein?
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
Oh no.
Ambulance? What's it called? A gurney?
Oh, paramedic. I didn't know if that was
Paramedic. God damn it. The P. The P's. The G-dang P's.
All right, Ryan, you better pull it all up, bro. Leave nothing behind.
7 points on that one.
7 points.
7 points for the dorks on that one.
Let's go. Oral fixation.
Go.
Cat stuck in a tree.
No, fuck.
Getting beamed up by aliens. Alien abduction.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It was close enough. It doesn't have to be like word for word.
Beep, beep,
Truck backing up.
Beep.
Road rage.
beep.
Traffic.
Oh.
Sore neck. Pain in the neck. Dentist. We're at the dentist.
Yeah,
Getting a teeth pulled. Tooth pulled. Getting a tooth pulled? Stop! What? I don't know what it is! A tooth pulled! Root canal! Wisdom teeth taken out! Being tickled. I refuse to answer that one. I'm good.
choking, choking.
You sure was.
It absolutely was.
No one's denying that one.
Toothache.
Toothache.
Did you get that one?
There's that tooth being pulled.
I didn't say toothache
Yeah.
specifically.
Yeah.
6.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Oh, that's
Ooh, getting in a car crash. There we go. Jesus. Having a heart attack? Dark.
Oh, that reminds us.
Fixing your car? Your car breaking down.
Wow.
Dialing a phone? Calling.
Time.
Butt dialing.
Oh!
You got 7.
Surfing? So skateboarding. What is this shit? Objects? Skateboard then, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Sprinkler. You can't talk. Oh.
Uncuff me!
You're up.
Uncut. What? Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Extinguisher. A trumpet. Fireworks. Sprinkler. Is that not a sprinkler? A helicopter.
Yes. Die.
I can't believe I got that. Backing up truck.
Time.
Car alarm.
Car alarm. Oh, that was a perfect car alarm.
That was good. That was solid.
Yeah, we did a good job.
Nice.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
2. Hey, run a leash down right there real quick. I just want to make sure.
Ready? And go.
Marching. Soldiers. Soldiers marching. Tap dancing? Oh, cabaret, can. Cabaret dancing.
He's doing it perfectly.
Vaudeville.
He's doing it perfectly. Can I steal?
Yeah, you can.
Actually, you can't say steal.
Yeah.
Steal.
Julian!
Yes.
Woo! Use that.
I don't.
Yeah. You guys on that? Ooh, uncuff me.
Uncuffed. Go.
Uncuffed.
Powerlifting.
Yes.
Nice.
You get to keep your uncuffed.
Tight.
Time.
Time.
He's literally doing a cheerleader.
He's going to do it.
I didn't say do like can dancing. Damn it.
All right, how many did you guys get?
3 points.
We got 2.
Oh, I know what I wanted. Oh shit, this was a bad idea.
Elephant.
No.
Jaws. A shark. It's a shark. Killer whale.
Yes.
Okay. Great.
Oink, 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 oink.
Pig.
What?
You're a tree. You're a plant. A flower.
Yes.
A donkey. Jackass. It's a jackal. Kangaroo.
Yep. Oh, sorry. I saw that one. Man.
A dead cow.
Man.
Fainting goat.
Yes.
A rabbit. One more time. One more. Let's
A dolphin.
a dolphin. Okay.
How do you get fainting goats?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll tell you how I guess flower, because when I was listening to the rules, they said it might even be flower. And I was like, how the fuck would you do a flower?
What's the total there?
Oh my god. We didn't get. Why did we not get dolphin? So I can't breathe,
We
you
got
guys.
4, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Peace.
Ready?
Yeah. Go.
A werewolf.
I'm also a werewolf.
Oh,
I know what it is.
what are you doing?
Steal. Snake charmer.
Damn it.
Gimme.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's what the tongue was.
Golfer. Punter. Soccer player. Yes.
Oh, time.
What was the last one?
We got
How many guys get?
4. Yeah.
Alright, we gotta steal this time.
Yeah.
We have to use both.
Hey.
No. Oh,
Damn.
action. Whistling.
They're on fire already.
Duh.
Mad. Tantrum. Kicking things.
Uncuff me.
Throwing things.
Watch that thing, man.
Steal!
Steal, yeah.
What?
Slamming the door.
Damn it!
Where's that? Where's that?
Headbutting somebody. Oh, a bull. A bull. What do you call that stupid
Uncuffed.
thing? Uncuffed. Bowling!
Alright, sweet.
I was not thinking bowling. A bark? A dog? Barking, you're barking, dog. Bark, you're bark.
Wait.
Crying, baby. Panting, sad.
Oh, bitch. Wait, where's the timer? Time.
Whispering.
Where is
There you
it?
go.
Yeah.
Three, hell yeah.
Yeah. 3 for the dog. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 7.
I
Incident.
got incident.
Oh, God.
In labor?
Yes.
Yes.
Tripping. Stubbing your toe. Oh, going down the stairs and falling down the stairs. Falling downstairs.
What
Walking. Oh, stubbing your toe.
Perfect.
Haha.
Uncuff me.
Uncuffed. Bellyache, stomachache.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, guys. Time.
Ah, damn. That was gonna be hard.
Surprise!
What was it?
No. Standing under a mistletoe.
8.
Yeah! This is the last rounds. These are the last rounds. That's the last round.
Oh, my heart cannot take it.
All right, Runs, act your ass off. You got this. I'm gonna guess as hard as I can.
Get ready to steal. We have one more steal.
Yep.
No!
Good.
Lol.
You got it, Runs. Slow down. You got it.
Ah!
Scared. Okay, do it again. Firefighter getting someone out of a
Yeah.
fire.
What? What the fuck? I don't even know how to. Meow.
Cat stuck up a tree. Cat fight. Cat burglar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, when a cat like nuzzles up against you.
Meow. Yeah, meow. Meow.
Not cat fight.
Meow. Meow.
Karate cat.
Meow. 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 I guess we're skipping.
Okay. Boxing.
What?
River dancing. Irish jig.
Yeah.
What? Over.
It's it.
Opera singer.
It was really okay.
Catwoman.
Cat woman.
Woman.
I'm fighting. I'm a cat. We got 6.
And this is the final round. And, you know, conveniently, the final round is double point.
No,
Who knew? We got it. It's
You
nothing,
ready?
bro. I got this.
You ready?
It's gonna land on action, and we're gonna bang these out.
Yeah.
You're gonna get object, and it's gonna be difficult.
God.
I don't know
no.
we got object.
You got peas.
Let's
The
go!
Okay.
Walking through the park,
Steal.
modeling.
Okay.
Surfing. Snowboarding.
Wow.
Uncuff me.
Okay. Bowling. Bowler. Skee ball. Knocking down pins. Bowling a strike. The bowling alley.
Oh,
Oh,
good
okay.
job. Damn.
Italian mobsters. Sheriff.
Ma'am.
A gangster. Oh, cowboy.
Time.
Damn.
Yo, that was good.
Yeah.
Was it modeling? What did he say?
Modeling.
Model.
You guys got 7. You guys got it.
At least we
Actually-
made it in the same bracket.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
All
Sit
right.
down.
It's not in the...
This game was
Yay!
We were not able to defend our turf for episode 1. It's kind of embarrassing.
It's
kind of
It's
embarrassing.
not a big deal, you know. It's
Yeah.
practice.
And you know what's the
Yeah.
faking goat? It was the choking.
The Jidiots won.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
we're
we're the
oral
idiots.
fixation.
We're not the idiots.
The oral fixations. Well,
Well, guys, that was that sound game. Let us know how you enjoyed this video. Have you played this game before? Do you want to see us play more of this game or more other games?
New
Suggest them in the comments, and we'll see you next time.
Bye. No, this was really fun, guys. I think everybody did a great job.